Number 11. Which line would best fit the data shown in the scatter plot? So what we've done here, we've scattered these dots around on the graph. The dots represent something. I don't know what, but we've scattered them around, and we want to know which line best fits the scatter. So in A, I have some dots above the line up here, and I have some dots below the line, so that's a possibility. B is not a possibility because all of the dots are above the line. That is not a line of best fit. For it to be a best fit, you would need to have some dots down here. C, we have a few above and a few below, so that's a possibility. D, we have them all below, so that one's out. And this is misleading. This goes with D, so D is a no. We said C was a possibility, B is a no because they're all above the line, so that's not a best fit. And then E, they're above and below, but they're mostly above. So I don't like E. I want the one where they're distributed evenly. There are some dots below the line, but not many. So that one is out. E is not what I'm looking for. So it's either C or A. So looking at C and A, which one has the tighter fit? Where are the dots closer in to the line? Another thing you want to look for is that there are no weird ones. Like these are just way out here. These are called outliers because they're just like they're going wild. They're not hovering to the line. They're spinning sort of out of control. The one you want is C. You see how at least most of the dots, this fella's kind of wonky, but most of them, even that one's a little bit weird, most of them hover right on that line. It's like they're being drawn into that line, where up here, that variance is way more. They're not as close in on the line. So this is called the line of best fit, and the answer here is C as in Charlie.